This is the Seafold paper towel dispenser, and I really like this thing. I used to have a towel bar here, and I hated it when I had guests over and you just got this wet, soggy towel sitting on there all the time. It's not hygienic, and I always liked the idea of having disposable paper towels. So this is small enough. I don't think it looks too commercial for my personal bathroom. I think it's going to work out great. I'm going to buy the Seafold towels in there, and things will be more hygienic, especially with all the corona and all that other stuff that people are concerned about. It has a little unlocking thing here to load it, and you can lock it back up to fill it up. Comes with the key to the hardware, and it's got little suction cups, which I probably won't use because I have a textured wall and it probably wouldn't stick on that. But it does come with the mounting hardware if you wanted to screw it in with the screws and the wall anchors. So I'm looking forward to mounting this. Like I said, I don't think it's going to look too commercial. It's small enough. It's not going to take up too much space. And I think it's going to work out a whole lot better.